Mm. What's smack?
Smack. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this super delicious chili. We're going to start with a pot with a little bit of oil. I am using canola oil, about 2 tablespoons, but you can also use olive oil, avocado oil, any type of oil that you love to use. I did add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and then I'm going to add 2 pounds of ground beef. My ground beef was frozen, so make sure that you do thaw your ground beef and let it sit out for a couple of hours until it's defrost. Otherwise, you're gonna find yourself like me in the pot waiting for a while until it defrosts. Once I did cook my meat, I'm gonna add all of this. I did use some chili powder, garlic, salt, cayenne pepper, oregano, and cumin. I did add all of this into the ground meat, and we're gonna mix well until everything is combined with the meat. I will be leaving all the information down in the description for the recipe of this chili. You are going to love this because it is super easy to make. Once I have all of those ingredients combined in the ground beef, I'm gonna add 1 can of tomato sauce, and then I will be adding 1 cup of water. Eventually, we will be adding more water, but for now, all I am adding is just 1 cup of water in the plate. That way I can take all of the extra tomato sauce. Then we're gonna cover it and simmer it for about 10 minutes. While that is simmering, we're gonna make a mixture of maseca with water. I'm using 1 cup of maseca with 2 cups of water, and we're gonna mix this well until we have a paste, kind of like a pancake consistency. We need this to thicken our mixture of the ground beef with the tomato sauce. Once we have our mixture, we're gonna add it into our pot of the ground beef. And here is where we're gonna add more water. I'm gonna add about 1 cup of water into the same plate where I had the maseca, and we're gonna add it into the pot. That way we can have a thicker consistency, but still we have sort of like a soup. We're gonna cover it one more time, and we're gonna let it sit for about another 5 more minutes until it simmers one more time. Then in here, it's where the magic starts to happen, in my opinion. We're gonna add beans, and I'm making my life easier by using old canned beans, but you can definitely cook yours from scratch, and any type of beans are good to use in this dish. I'm using white beans, black beans, and red kidney beans. I personally love the flavor of the black and kidney beans, but the white ones are really good as well, and it gives just that good flavored into this chili. We're gonna cover it one more time and let it simmer until all the beans are combined with the sauce and they are getting the flavor of the meat and all of the spices that we use. And this chili, it's done. This is another good idea for a meal plan of your week. You can let this cool down and you can freeze it for up to a month, or put it in the fridge for about a week. Here are the toppings that I use for my chili. You cannot go wrong with cheese on your chili. The more cheese you put, the better the flavor. And to have that crunch, we're gonna add some Frito scoops, and this dish is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.